Good day, kids. In this calendar, what day of the week is Christmas? Do you know the answer? That will be our lesson today. In this video, we are going to discuss days of the week, weeks, months, and year. Do you know the importance of calendar? Of course, dito natin malalaman ang day of the week mula day 1 hanggang last day. Gaya ng iyong birthday. Alam niyo ba ang day of the week ng iyong birthday? This is the calendar for the year 2022. It starts from January and ends in December. Before discussing the calendar, we might as well discuss the 12 months of the year, namely January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. This is the first page of the calendar. It is for the month of January. The calendar tells us about the year and the days of the week starting from Sunday. The calendar tells you also about the last day of the month. This is February. This is the second month of the year. This is the month where we are celebrating Valentine's Day. This is the only month that changes the total number of days depending on the year, if it is leap or an ordinary year. Leap year has a total number of 29 days, while ordinary year has only 28 days. If the last two digits is divisible by 4, then it is a leap year. The year 2022 is not a leap year because it is not divisible by 4. Therefore, February 2022 ends in 28 days. This is March, the third month of the year. It ends on the 31st day. This is April, the fourth month of the year. It has 30 days. This is the month of May. Can you locate the last day of this month? What day of the week is the last day of this month? Can you locate it? The 31st day falls on a... Yes, it's Tuesday. In the month of June, can you figure out what day of the week is June 15th? Yes, June 15th falls on a Wednesday. For the month of July, can you figure out the last day for this month? Yes, it falls on a Sunday. What is the day of the week on the 12th of August? 12th of August falls on a Friday. Now we are in the bare months already. It's almost Christmas. Now, for the month of September, find the last day of the month. Yes, it falls on a Friday. What is the day of the week on the 13th of October? 13th of October falls on a Thursday. How about first day of November? What day is it? 1st of November falls on a Tuesday. Now it's December. It's Christmas season. What day of the week will be the Christmas day? Yes, it's Sunday. Merry Christmas, everybody! Now let's talk about the days of the week, and it starts with Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. For every ordinary year, we have 365 days. Otherwise, if it is a leap year, it has 366 days. Kapag ang pinag-uusapan naman ay ang linggo, we have 52 weeks. We have 7 days a week. We have 24 hours a day. We have 60 minutes an hour. And we have 60 seconds a minute. Sa mga magulang na gustong isali ang mga anak upang mas lalo silang magiging mahusay, mangyari po lamang makipag-ugnayan sa mga admin. I-search lang sa Facebook ang IVFC Early Learners Info page. Ito ay isang libreng serbisyo mula sa I Volunteer for Filipino Children.